Today we will understand about SAST, which is also called as SAST, the definition static application security testing. So SAST is a method used in cybersecurity to analyze and secure software source code. So SAST is a method used in cybersecurity to analyze and secure software source code. It helps detect vulnerabilities in applications at an early stage itself, especially specifically during the development phase. So in the development phase itself, it helps detect vulnerabilities in applications, which is a very early stage. Since SAST examines the application from the inside out, it is considered a white box testing technique, meaning the tester has knowledge of the internal structure of the code. Key concepts in SAST: source code, the human readable instructions written by programmers to build software. Vulnerability, a weakness in the software that can be exploited by cyber attackers. White box testing, a testing method where the tester has access to the internal working of the system. So how does SAST work? SAST tools scan an application's source code, bytecode or binaries to identify potential security vulnerabilities like coding errors, backdoors and malicious code. So SAST tool scans application source code itself or binary code or bytecode to identify potential security vulnerabilities like coding errors, backdoors and malicious code. This process is automated and runs without executing the application, making it an effective way to catch vulnerabilities before software is deployed. So this process is automated and runs without executing the application, making it effective way to catch vulnerabilities before software is deployed. Common vulnerabilities detected by SAST: SQL injection, an attack that allows attackers to manipulate databases using malicious SQL queries. Cross-site scripting (XSS), a vulnerability that allows attackers to inject malicious scripts into web applications. Buffer overflow, a flaw that happens when software writes more data than the memory buffer can hold, potentially leading to code execution or crashes. Hard-coded credentials, storing usernames and password directly in the source code. So what are the benefits of using SAST? Early detection. Since SAST is applied during the development phase, it identifies and mitigates vulnerabilities early, reducing the risk of major security issues later. Compliance. Many industries require compliance with security standards. Many industries require compliance with security standards like OWASP, which is Open Web Application Security Project, and PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. SAST ensures that the code adheres to these standards for compliance basis. Cost efficiency. Fixing security vulnerabilities during the development phase is far cheaper than doing so after the software is deployed. So fixing it before and in the early stage itself is cheaper compared to after the software is deployed. Automation. SaaS tools automate code review, making the process faster and more scalable. Who are the best vendors of SaaS tools? Checkmarx. One of the leading SaaS vendors, Checkmarx, offers extensive support for various programming languages and frameworks, making it suitable for diverse development environments. The second one is Veracode. Veracode provides a cloud-based platform for security testing, including SaaS. It's known for easy integration with development operations pipelines and offers detailed reports on vulnerabilities. SonarQube, a widely used open source SaaS tool that is particularly popular in agile development environments. SonarQube is known for its easy to use interface and code quality analysis. Fortify Static Analyzer, offered by Micro Focus. This tool is well regarded for its deep analysis capabilities and large library of built-in security rules. White Source, a tool that provides not only SAST but also tracks open source vulnerabilities. It integrates with CI/CD pipelines for seamless testing. Summary of SAST. SAST is a critical tool in the cybersecurity toolkit, focusing on analyzing and identifying vulnerabilities within the source code before the software is deployed. So, SAST is a critical tool in the cybersecurity toolkit, focusing on analyzing and identifying vulnerabilities within the source code before the software is deployed. It provides significant benefits like early detection of issues, compliance with security standards, and automation, all of which contribute to building more secure software. Popular SaaS vendors include Checkmarx, Veracode, SonarQube, and 45. 45. How to implement SaaS in an organization? First, you need to choose the right tool. Based on your organization needs, programming languages, and development environment, select a SaaS tool that integrates well with your existing systems. So, based on your organization needs, programming languages, and development environment, select a SaaS tool that integrates well with your existing systems. Consider factors like ease of integration, coverage of programming languages, and reporting capabilities. Next, what you have to do is integrate with development workflow. Implement SAST into your CI/CD pipeline so that the code is automatically scanned for vulnerabilities every time it's pushed. This ensures continuous testing. Set security policies. Define security thresholds and policies. For example, decide which type of vulnerabilities must be addressed before the code is moved to the next stage. So, you can set the security policies also. Train developers. Ensure that your developers are aware of how to interpret SAST reports and understand the security vulnerabilities identified. Training helps them write more secure code from the start. The next one is monitor and review results regularly. Establish a regular cadence for reviewing SAST results. Ensure that critical vulnerabilities are identified and fixed. Lastly, use metrics to track improvements over time. The last is make a feedback loop. Integrate SAST feedback into code reviews and project retrospectives to continuously improve code quality and security practices. Thank you.